areas where we are today on board. This is our aircraft system that allows us to map unique aspects of the environment. For coral reefs, we have an instrument in the back that very uniquely can see through the seawater to the seafloor itself down to a depth of about 70 feet. And what we see using this instrument is where the live corals are, where the dead corals are, where the algae is. We don't see the fish, but we see the habitat for the fish. So this is what the mapping capability of this aircraft is for coral reefs. We also have instruments that image land and vegetation in 3D and so forth. But the coral reef mission that we're on now, we're really focused on understanding the state of our coral reefs here in Hawaii with the lens of where is the live coral. Yeah, so this is a map of the area we're going to remap in this flight. This is West Maui, and you see the remnants of a volcano in West Maui, and you see the agricultural lands. And then this yellow-red band is where the live coral was last year. Yellow means it's low density of live coral, and the red, if you look closely, is where the coral cover is in high abundance or high density. Yeah, so, we're all faced with sustaining these reefs into the future. And these reefs are undergoing kind of three major areas of impact. One is these heat waves that keep showing up. We had a big one in 2015. We had a big one in 2019. NOAA is predicting that we're going to have a heat wave in the ocean about every year or two by 2030. These heat waves, they're like heat waves that pass through a city. They stress the system. And we don't know the long-term impacts of that yet. So we're trying to work with DAR, DLNR's DAR, to one, figure out what is the impact of these heat waves. At the same time, there are these two other stressors that we need to work on. One is the effects of land development and land activities on the reef. That's mostly pollution and sedimentation. And so we're working with DLNR to figure out where is the reef impacted by sedimentation and waterborne pollution. And the third is the fishery itself. Heavy fishing has impacts on reefs.